Welcome. If you're looking to take control of your Pinterest messages and want to enable requests from people you follow, you're in the right place. With Pinterest's latest update, managing who can send you message requests is easier than ever, especially on your PC. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to enable requests messages from your followers, so let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Pinterest website. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on your Pinterest homepage, take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu with several options. Find and click on the one labeled Settings. After you click on Settings, you'll be taken to a new page with a variety of options to customize your Pinterest experience. Here, look for the section called Social Permissions. This is where you can manage how you interact with other users on Pinterest. Once you're in the Social Permissions section, scroll down until you find the Messages category. Here, you'll see an option related to who can send you messages. Next to Following, you'll notice an Edit button. Go ahead and click on Edit. A new set of options will appear. You'll see the option to choose who can send you message requests. Select Requests from the list. This means that only people you follow can send you a request to message you, giving you more control over your inbox and helping you avoid unwanted messages. Once you've made your selection, don't forget to click Save to apply your changes. That's it. You've now successfully enabled requests, messages, from people you follow on Pinterest using your PC. With these easy steps, you can enjoy a more personalized and secure messaging experience on Pinterest. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips. Thanks for watching, and happy pinning!